Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential appliances for your kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible COSORI air fryer. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this COSORI air fryer in the description. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 𝙬𝙚 is a standout appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience while promoting healthier eating habits. This 5-quart air fryer comes packed with features that make it an ideal addition to any small family or apartment kitchen. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 𝙬𝙚 boasts an impressive array of features designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient. With its compact design, it fits perfectly on any countertop without taking up too much space. The air fryer offers 9 custom functions, including presets for chicken, fries, steak, seafood, veggies, and bacon, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. One of the standout features is its high maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows you to cook meals up to 50% faster than traditional ovens. This rapid cooking capability is supported by advanced air circulation technology that ensures your food is evenly cooked and crispy on the outside while remaining juicy inside. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 𝙬𝙚 is perfect for busy individuals who want to prepare quick and delicious meals without the hassle of long cooking times. The 5-quart capacity is ideal for small families, allowing you to cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds chicken. Despite its large cooking capacity, the air fryer maintains a compact footprint, solving counter space issues in smaller kitchens. The basket and crisper plate are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. In addition to its cooking capabilities, the air fryer includes 100+ in-app recipes with detailed nutrition facts, helping you manage your diet and make healthier food choices. The recipes are designed to provide all the information you need, including calorie, carb, protein, and fat content per serving. Positive points: high cooking efficiency. Cooks food up to 50% faster than traditional ovens. Healthier meals. Uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods. Compact design. Perfect for small kitchens and apartments. User-friendly. 9 custom presets make it easy to use, even for beginners. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. Detailed recipes. Includes 100+ recipes with nutrition facts. Quiet operation. Patented air whisper technology keeps noise levels under 55 dB. Negative points: initial setup required. Requires a test run and cleaning before first use. Limited capacity for large families. May not be sufficient for larger households. Why you should buy. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 𝙬𝙚 is perfect for anyone looking to make quick, healthy meals with minimal effort. Its user-friendly design, coupled with fast cooking times and a wide range of preset functions, makes it an excellent choice for busy individuals and small families. The additional in-app recipes with nutrition facts provide a great resource for those looking to manage their diet more effectively. Why you should not buy. If you have a larger family or frequently cook in large quantities, the 5-quart capacity may not be sufficient for your needs. Additionally, if you are looking for an appliance that requires no initial setup, the initial cleaning and test run might be a minor inconvenience. Overall, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro 𝙬𝙚 offers a versatile, efficient, and healthy way to prepare your favorite meals, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Leave your thoughts on this COSORI air fryer in the comments, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.